Exposing the secret to year-round comfort in your conservatory. You won't believe how easy it is. Imagine a conservatory you can use all year round, no matter the season. Say hello to the Conservatory Warm Roof from Miller's Roofing Services Limited. Our insulated roofing system transforms your conservatory into a cozy retreat in winter and a cool haven in summer. No more temperature swings, just pure comfort. Not only does it keep your conservatory at the perfect temperature, but it also boosts energy efficiency, saving you money on heating and cooling. And let's talk style. Our warm roofs are fully customizable to blend seamlessly with your home's aesthetic. It's like giving your conservatory a stylish, functional makeover. So why wait? Transform your conservatory into a year-round sanctuary with a Conservatory Warm Roof from Miller's Roofing Services Limited. Visit our website or call us today to learn more. Say goodbye to seasonal discomfort and hello to endless comfort. Your perfect conservatory awaits.